Alright, this is the Mercury Technology 42-inch universal travel tripod, and that's why we love it, because we bring it everywhere. It's always in my backpack. I don't carry the gimbal with me at all times, because there's a battery and it gets too hot, too cold. This is the fourth one I bought. First one broke, one of the legs. Second one was lost. This is the third one. And as you can see, broke off. Definitely do like this one though. This was from the dollar store. And there you go. This is why I like it. Put it anywhere. Extend the legs. We need it because we're doing some fireworks this week, barbecue this weekend coming up. So could have maybe got it cheaper online. Who knows? But I needed it right away. So went out and got it. It was sitting on Target shelf and bam! I now have another tripod. Love it.